morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Happens to be one of our 435 horsepower 347s. Again, like I always say, we custom build each and every engine. Thank God that we are back up and running on our dyno. We can get some of these motors tested and sent out the door. I'm sorry for the wait and the delay to everybody, but again, things do happen. Hey, at least we don't have the coronavirus. God bless. We have this beautiful motor. Like I said, it made 450 foot-pounds of torque and 440 horsepower. Anything we can help you out with and build, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace.